Okay, we got a 2013 Toyota Sienna. This logic board right here is not working. I'm going to start it up and I'll show you what I mean. The screen's messed up. See how it does here? A lot of times it goes all the way with the lines. See how it's messed up? It's not working good. It eventually gets worse, and then the whole thing goes like that. I'm going to show you how to change this out. The first thing you're going to do is you're just going to, this pops right off like this. I mean, just be careful. Trying to hold the phone while doing this. Just be careful popping it up. The clips, and there you go. You see the clips right there. You got two bolts holding it right here. Yeah, these bolts are a 10. I'm just using this with extension, 10 millimeter. And bolts 10. I've got one out. I'm gonna pull the other one out. And the customer grabbed the new, well, it's not new, it's used from salvage, but it's guaranteed to work. So you see there's two plug-ins. There's one up there on the top and one over on the left-hand side. It's gonna set in like this. What we're gonna do next, I can show you the wires. We're gonna disconnect these wires right there, and then we're gonna pull it out. Okay, there's a third bolt. What I did is I took a pry bar and lifted it up gently, and I was able to get a 10 millimeter socket right here in the center to lift this up some, and I got it out. This is the new one. There's the old one out. This is a new one that just goes back in. We're gonna plug the wiring harnesses in first. The white one goes right here, of course. The black one here. Gonna plug that in, then we're gonna put the 3 bolts back in. But that's how you replace this Logix board. Be right back. Okay, I have the 3 bolts back in. One here, and one right down here. It's not that hard. Otherwise, if you want to, you can take the whole radio out to get to that, but I thought it's just as easy just to take a little screwdriver pry bar and then just push down gently after you get these 2 out. If you get these 2 bolts out, just put a pry bar or something with a little bit, push down on this, and you can get in there with a 10 millimeter socket. But now the only thing left is to put the cover on. Cover's back on. There's the old one. All right, let's check it out now. We have the new screen in. And there's a new screen. The lines are gone. We'll let it cycle through. All right, we're good. That's the screen changed out.